Hold on real quickly. Is that public access? Martinez, is that public access?
That's disrespectful. That's number 2.
Oh, stop it, dude.
Number 3, you're gonna have to take a knee or do something.
Now, you know what, man? I know you're joking around a little bit too much now, man.
Good.
This is the reception
That's
area.
That's already a closed building. So this is another lot.
Okay. How many lobbies you got?
How you folks doing today?
3.
How you doing today, sir?
Pretty good on yourself.
All right, not too bad, man. Thank you for being cordial.
So unfortunately, you guys did have to see what's going on. It's an everyday occurrence that we have people that are mentally ill or are suffering from some sort of issue. And I mean, they do come over here, but they don't know how to act as well. Sometimes they assault staff. I mean, the list goes on. So we try to help them as best as we can, and sometimes they got to be arrested for doing criminal activities.
Are you the only deputy on set?
No, we have.
I see some of the security are wearing different uniforms. What is that all about? Different companies they work for, or?
Well, we have security and we have sheriff security.
Sheriff security. So sheriff security has the power to arrest. Those are the white shirts. Okay, that's what they did. The lady arrested the gentleman right now.
They're not under arrest.